Thank you for choosing the iSpring CU-A4 4-stage undersink ultrafiltration water purification system. With proper installation and maintenance, this water purification system will provide clean and refreshing drinking water for years to come. Please follow the instructions in the video for proper installation procedures. Please carefully read the Prior to Installation section in the user manual before we begin. Ensure all parts are included in your water system's package and that you have all the required tools ready. Installation: Feed water adapter. CU-A4 was designed to be installed under the sink. Please clean out the space before installation. The feed water adapter fits common 1/2 inch and 3/8 inch connectors. If you have a different size fitting, you will need a converter. Step 1. Turn off the cold water supply valve under the sink and turn on the faucet to drain any air and water in the pipe. Step 2. Unscrew the faucet connector pipe from the cold water supply valve. Be prepared to catch any excess water from the pipe with a towel. Step 3. Install the feed water adapter to the cold water supply valve and tighten it with a wrench. Please ensure the O-ring is seated properly inside the adapter to prevent leaks. Step 4. Reinstall the faucet connector pipe to the feed water adapter and tighten it with a wrench. Step 5. Turn the feed water valve to the off position. Insert the tubing 1/2 inch deep into the quick connect fitting, then insert a locking clip to lock the tubing in place. Measure and cut the tubing. Please ensure to leave enough tubing for future maintenance. Installation: Drinking faucet. Choose a suitable flat surface on the sink or countertop to install the drinking faucet. If your kitchen sink does not have a pre-existing one, we recommend drilling a 7 to 16th inch to 1.5 inch in diameter hole. Otherwise, the included faucet bracket can be used. Step 1. Clean and dry the sinkhole area. Step 2. Insert the front plate, then the rubber washer into the faucet base. Step 3. Insert the drinking faucet into the sinkhole. Step 4. From under the sink, insert the rubber washer, followed by the wing nut, into the faucet stem. Tighten the wing nut to secure the faucet. Step 5. Insert the quick connect coupling to the faucet stem. Step 6. Insert the tubing into the bottom end of the coupling 1/2 inch deep. Insert locking clips to lock the coupling and tubing in place. Measure and cut the tubing. Please ensure to leave enough tubing for future maintenance. Installation and startup. Step 1. Insert the tubing from the feed water adapter 1/2 inch deep into the system inlet fitting. Lock the tubing in place by inserting the locking clip. Step 2. Insert the tubing from the faucet 1/2 inch deep into the system outlet fitting. Lock the tubing in place by inserting the locking clip. Step 3. Turn on the cold water supply valve and ensure there are no leaks from the connectors. Step 4. Turn on the feed water valve and then the drinking faucet. Let the water drain to flush filters for 15 minutes or until the water runs clear. It is normal to see residual carbon and fine air bubbles in the water when flushing the system for the first time. Check for leaks on all connectors. Shut off the drinking faucet when finished. Filter replacement. It is highly advised to replace the filters when they reach the recommended replacement cycle. However, the actual lifespan of filters may vary depending on the source water quality and daily usage. Step 1. Turn the feed water valve to the off position. Turn on the faucet to purge out air and water. Step 2. Place the system in a pan to catch water. Twist the filter housing clockwise to detach the housing from the machine head. Step 3. Unwrap and install new filters counterclockwise into the machine head. Step 4. Slowly turn on the cold water supply valve. Check for leaks on all connections and let the water run for at least 15 minutes to flush the new filter. Filter replacement is now complete. Congratulations! Your iSpring CU-A4 water purification system installation is now complete. You can now enjoy clean and refreshing water from home. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have questions. Thank you for watching.